Presented by Angelo P. Resula. Presented to Mrs.Virginia Gruyal. Proper measurement of dry and liquid ingredients.
Good day everyone. By the way, I am Angelo P. And for this video, I am going to show you on how to measure the dry and liquid ingredients properly. So let's begin. So I have a measuring cup here to use for our measurement. So I have the tools already and set in the table.
First thing to do is put a flour in a sifter and sift it until there is no lumps and it's already fine. Add 1 cup of flour and use spatula knife to level off the flour. Level off the flour using spatula knife. Then, put in a clean mixing bowl. Add brown sugar in a half cup. Then, compress it using rubber spatula. Measure of a 1/4 tablespoon of baking powder. Add 1 teaspoon of yeast. Then 1 teaspoon of salt also. Then measure 1/4 cup of butter. Spread the butter and compress it properly until it compact. For liquid ingredients, add first 1 cup of water. Then, add also 1/2 cup of milk.
oil.
Put 1/4 cup of oil.
And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye!